It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 14th day of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather still cool, wet at times through tomorrow, but the weekend looking much better. Let's check it out this afternoon. That's the water vapor satellite view. An upper low is over Arkansas with a complex array of showers across the southeastern states, and there's a big trough in the western states that'll be digging down, closing off into an upper low in coming days, producing a lot of snow for places like Denver. That was the regional radar composite at 2:30. You can see a pretty decent chunk of north and central Alabama is dry, with the bulk of the showers to the south, west, east, and north. Showers in Tennessee, Mississippi, the Florida Panhandle, and parts of South Georgia. In fact, there's some breaks in the overcast, especially up in northeast Alabama, and also some breaks from near Tuscaloosa down to Mobile. That was the radar coming at 2:42, and at that point we had some pretty heavy showers on the Alabama-Mississippi border over in Pickens County, but the rest of our part of the state is relatively dry for now, but will maintain some chance of rain on through tomorrow. There's the watch warning map. The big story, it's going to be heavy snow developing in the Rockies and the Wasatch Mountains, where winter storm warnings have been posted. Things are quiet here. There is a marginal risk of severe weather for the rest of this afternoon and tonight down in southwest Alabama over into parts of Mississippi and Louisiana. And then tomorrow, a slight risk from the South Plains of Texas up to southwest Nebraska. And day 3, which is Saturday, a risk of severe weather for parts of west Texas up into the Panhandle. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. The amount's relatively light here, 1/2 inch or less. The big numbers are setting up there from Texas up into the Great Plains. The bullseye, 8 inches over southern Nebraska. Very beneficial rain there. And, of course, in the Rockies, huge snows. This is the 72-hour snow projection coming from WPC, and this is showing 3 feet in the mountains. Denver will likely be slammed. So in case you're headed to the mile-high city, watch out for a whole lot of snow. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Trough digging in the west. There's a weak upper low basically right on top of us and underneath the ridge that's up over eastern Canada. This is the high-res HRRR, 8 o'clock tonight. Trying to get in a baseball game, softball game. Got a pretty good chance. You can see a few light showers around, but really not much. So maybe we'll stay in a minimum tonight, but clearly a chance of showers that just looks like they will be widely scattered. And then tomorrow we've got the wedge coming in. This run not as extensive or deep with the wedge. And if that's the case, most of the state will rise up into the 60s. And yes, there's a chance of rain, but nothing too heavy. This is the high-res NAM at 1 o'clock tomorrow. So we'll mention a chance of showers tomorrow. Cloudy, cool, highs low to mid-60s. But again, near the Georgia border, it will be cooler. Some folks there may be holding in the 50s all day. And the good news, the models are really trending dry for Saturday. The GFS is looking good. Maybe some leftover clouds early in the day, but the sky should become sunny. A good chance we see low 70s. In the high-res NAM, Saturday at 1 o'clock, nothing. So it bodes well for the Alabama A-Day game over in Tuscaloosa at Bryant-Denny Stadium. The game should be played with a sunny sky and temperatures up in the low 70s. It'll be a great day for that ball game. Sunday, very nice. Sunny weather continues with mid-70s. Monday, sunny with a high around 80. Tuesday, same thing. Low 80s are possible. The GFS is showing 82. And Wednesday looks mostly dry. And again, we'll be up there close to 80. So a nice summer preview next week, and things are pretty quiet. And this is a week from today. Thursday, the 21st, little trough to the west, and that's suggesting a chance of showers. So toward the end of next week, looks like the weather becomes a little showery, but that's not really a severe weather look. This is the end of the forecast period. Sunday, the 24th. Big upper low near Los Angeles, ridging over the Great Plains and northwest flow aloft. Cold front north of us, but again, that looks relatively quiet. Temperatures climbing up there. You can see 70s for the weekend. A lot of low and mid 80s later this month. Summertime must be getting close. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.